1 drop. Just a little bit. You don't have to get like whole drop, because unless you do all 10 nails, or if you do 2 rings fingers, you need a little bit. And then I am going to using the Magetics, just a smaller drop. Okay. All right. And here mine is ombre sponge. I am going to pick just a little bit of the pumpkins and tap. And it still have a tacky layer, so that you can tap. It's gonna absorb it right there. And you can go back, add more as you wish, okay? I'm using on the top of the pudding, the new colors.
Oh, also, thank you, I Love Nails. Thank you for the badge.
Oh, I love nail. Thank you so much. And I'm gonna add the Hunter Green. I haven't kissed anything yet because I'm gonna blend them. And you'll never go wrong with this. Doesn't matter. Whatever you do. So in love with this. And I'll pick up another edges for the Magetics. Just really simply is just tap, tap, tap. And you're happy with this, you are going to just cure it under LED lights for 60 seconds. Loving it.